Okay, so that is looking much better in terms of fit for the joints. And I also improved, I think, the joint up at the top by taking out one of those fingers. That'll look okay once it's all, that's going to just get glued down. It'll be fine. Need to relieve that a bit. But yeah, that's looking much better. And the other one is right here, and it's not glued up, it's just that's friction. So yeah, much better fit doing it carefully and paying attention. Okay, so trim those to length, and I think we're good. These pieces, I'm going to sink a couple of inserts into here and here, and then this block will form one part of the lever arm that keeps these from flopping down.
What I like about him is that he always finds the perfect balance between funky beats and intelligent lyrics. Quebec music.
And now we're going to continue, or just thinking about...
That print worked out well. That M3 fits just nicely.
There's a pack of cigarette filling up, taking a beer on the table. Everybody holding stared at the reflection of their faces.